Hey guys, so they cleaned up my truck thinking it was a repo, which is kind of funny. It just goes to show me how much crap I actually had in my truck. So, alright, as you can see, I was already working on it. I gotta clean this thing out now. It's a fucking disaster. But anyway, let me see. Yeah, you guys can see beautifully right there. Let me get this out of the way though. Alright. So, this was the one that was in there. And on the bottom, you see there's this little lever. And what you're supposed to be able to do is put the key in it, rotate it, okay? And it's shooting metal everywhere. And then use the key to pull it out. Well, because the key just freely just kind of slips in there, like you can make your own judgment on what that was going to go. I had to use a pick to get up under there. You can see how I was just pushing here and then just slowly wiggling it out. Pulled it out. The housing actually looks to be fine. So on Amazon I found this doohickey, and we're gonna see how well this works. Then I'm gonna have to go get the one of the tow trucks to jump start me because the battery's dead, and we could actually check for that, but see no horn, so we know it's dead. So there's some instructions here. I have literally no idea how this all kind of works. So, alright, we stick the key in, stick it in all the way, rotate, key one turn clockwise, counterclockwise one turn, then pull the key out, and then insert so okay, and then this is the new one. We could just do a quick part match. You know, it looks to be the same, so cool. Alright, oh, this piece is part of the key cylinder, so I'm guessing that's all in here. So yeah, if this doesn't work, there's a locksmith here, so alright, and let me look at the paper instructions real quick. Yeah, I know that's not a very manly thing to say, right? This is just $100. I'm here and I don't have to take another day. So, alright, remove cap from tumbler shell. Then, okay, that's what I thought. I want to make sure that they didn't have that rubber cap on there for a reason, and you weren't supposed to take it off. Go ahead and close those doors, I guess. Alright, so they said clockwise. And then counterclockwise. And there's all the rings, so that looks to be right. Sweet. So then in there till I'm not sure. Okay, something happened. So we'll go with something happened. So this is the lever that was pushing, so that needs to go down into the track. You guys are just seeing my big old head. Oh wait, am I supposed to take the key back out? I don't think so. Alright, we gotta take that back. I think the piece in there is not lining up. Alright, guys, let me play with this for a minute. I think I just screwed up. Alright, I'm recording. Alright, guys. So, my Swift truck is right there. We got the jumpers going to it. Yeah, Swift, sorry. But you know what? My vehicle was parked at your place. Well, giving it a second to let it charge up. It's not acting really funny yet. Oh, that wasn't good. What was that? Alright, first time trying, I saw smoke. Trying again. Alright. I'll be back. Alright guys, just had to get some new batteries put in. So, hoping that's gonna be done. We're gonna replace the shocks because you know what? I'm getting tired of trying to find a kickstand. Alright. So, that steering wheel looks so bad, guys. That's a lot better. She runs! Ha! Just need some batteries. Man. I love that sound. I was getting a little concerned that we might have to tow it. The computer that they got can only program keys, can't clear out the yeah. So that's why he came out and he was like, I don't think that's your problem. Well, now I just have to fix the steering column, the doors, and the windows. Not bad, guys, not bad. This truck, there's going to be a lot of videos on it. We're going to fix that window and that door, and we're going to start making this truck look nice again. So, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, subscribe. I got to clean up the rest of my stuff, and time to get back to work. Later.